Hello everyone. Today I would like to give you a lesson on the topic midline of a triangle, properties of the midline of a triangle. Before starting to watch this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like it. I will be very grateful to you for that. Today you will get acquainted with the midline of a triangle. At first glance, a simple but extremely clever idea. Just one line segment, but how much logic is in it? It will help you see connections, find shorter paths to solutions, and feel confident in your own reasoning. A midline of a triangle is a segment that connects the midpoints of its two sides. In front of you is a triangle ABC, and EF its midline. You see it divides each side in half. Let's find out the property of the midline. The midline of a triangle that connects the midpoints of its two sides is parallel to the third side and equal to half of it. What does this mean? The third side we have now is AC. I highlighted it in black and labeled 2A. Then I highlighted EF in, well, red, and it already becomes twice as small. Now what an interesting connection there is between them. Let's prove this property. We already know that the midline of a triangle is the line segment that connects the midpoints of two of its sides. When the midline connects the midpoints of two sides of a triangle, it intersects a smaller triangle, EBF, which is similar to the original one. In such similar triangles, the ratio of the corresponding sides is 1/2. That is, the midline DE of the triangle ABC will be half the length of the base AC. We have proved what we were asked. Problem 1. Determine the unknown quantities from the given data. What are we given? The hypotenuse ABC. MN is its midline, and MN is given to us as 5.8. We are also given the segment AB, and we need to find these red BC and AM. Let's start. Yes, MN is the midline of the triangle ABC. Then see how we will find BC. And here I'll remind you, if MN, for example, is marked with an X, then BC is twice as much as 2X. Quickly substitute. Multiply 2 by 5.8. This equals 11.6. That's it, found. They asked for BC, we already know. AM is the middle of AB. Then how can we find AM? We have to divide AB by 2. Now just substitute. That's it. Here, these numbers are already in the answer. Problem 2. Determine the unknown quantities from the given data. What are we given? Triangle ABC. M is the midpoint of AB. MD is the perpendicular dropped to the side of AC. The area of triangle ABC is 160. AC equals 20. We need to find MD, this red perpendicular. How will we find it? Pay attention to the area. You see, here is the area and height. Here is the height of 90 degrees. Where the area and height meet, it is already in the condition. Wow, then how can we not use the formula for the area of a triangle? But the height of the triangle is not drawn. And here we must, not be afraid to draw it ourselves. So I will draw this height about which nothing is said in the condition of the problem. You must be able to show initiative. Something is not drawn there and you draw it. Something is not completed and you complete it. I drew it. BH, the height of triangle ABC, is drawn to the side of AC. And then here is this formula that connects the area with the height. And now I will substitute it. Here it is. The base is highlighted in green. It is given to us. AC. It is 20. I will substitute this into this formula, that is 160. This is the area. I will substitute it here. AC, 20. I will substitute here. This is what it looks like after the substitution. Now I will look for this blue height. I divide by 10, I get 16. Exactly. And then we will consider the triangle ABH. Now I will highlight it in yellow. In this triangle, MD, the red line, the middle line. Pay attention, it is the middle line, because D is parallel to BH. N is the midpoint of AB. Well, that's all. And what is the property of the middle line? It is half the base. That is, if we cut off AH so that it is 16, then it will be half the size. That is, this is what is written here. That is, I used the property of the middle line. 8. Exactly. Show initiative. It will help you in such tasks. So, if you understood everything today, I would give you a Lexus RX as a gift. If you are worried or excited because you did not understand something, no problem. Watch this video again slowly. Never give up, and I wish you to understand it as soon as possible.
Bye.